Alright, in this section here we're going to be discussing division of polynomials. Of course, not much of a discussion other than I'm going to be working out examples because that's what everybody wants to see. How do you work this problem? Let's start with a couple rational numbers here. How about we're going to do this little refresher here real quick. We have 1/7 divided by 2/9. And I want to simplify this thing down. Alright, so that's what we're doing here. Remember, I can write 9 over 2 times 9 over 2. Okay, well, we do the top, we got to do the bottom, so forth. Alright, this right here, those cancel out, so you're left with a 1 in the denominator, and so we have 1/7 times 9/2. And of course, this can actually be rewritten as 1/7 times 9 over 2, and there's nothing that goes in 9 and 7, and we can't simplify that down anymore. So this becomes 9/14. So the whole idea is we want to get this, right, turn this basically into a division problem and into a multiplication problem from a division to multiplication is what's going on here. Okay, so let's actually work something that's got some variables involved. So let's say that we had 3x and it was over 2y squared, and that's all over 5x to the 4th over 4y cubed. So we do the same thing just like in the example, and I'm not going to do this every time, okay, just to let you know. We're going to take a shortcut on this. Alright, so we're going to do that. This will be the last time we do it this way, then we're going with the shortcut. Alright, so remember, this all becomes 1 because these guys cancel out. And so we're end up left with, you know what, I'm gonna write that down here. We're going to be left with 3x over 2y squared times 4y cubed over 5x to the 4th. Alright, I'm going to take this 3 times 4, and this is something else we're not going to do every time. But I'll do it this time. This is x times y cubed, and that is grouping our integers together there. And we have y squared times x to the 4th, right? Or y squared and x to the 4th. Okay. Well, 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we're going to be left with a 6 here. Alright, x, we have 1x and we have 4 x's in the denominator, so we can cancel this x out and we'll just be left with 3 x's in the denominator. So let's see, and I'm going to write that 5 right there. So 3 x's. We have 3 y's in the numerator, 2 y's in the denominator, so we can cancel the 2 y's out in the denominator, and we're left with 1 y in the numerator. Alright, so we have 6y over 5x cubed. Okay. Yep, that was simplified down. Let's see here. We have I'm never going to learn about that. Add the layer 2ab over 5xy, and that's all over 11x cubed y, too many horizontal lines, 4a squared b. So in this particular one here, we're going to be doing the shortcut. Alright, I'm not going to be multiplying down here by its reciprocal. So we're going to say 2ab